In this guide, we're going to go over how you can reset any iPhone no matter which iPhone it is. Before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But there are two different reset methods depending on what you are trying to do. If your iPhone is glitching or frozen, a quick reset can fix it. But if you want a fresh start or are selling your phone, you're going to want to do a full factory reset. I'm going to show you both. The first one, which is the force reset, does not delete any data, and it's great for fixing, freezing, black screens, or touch issues. Essentially, you just gotta quickly press and release the volume up button, quickly press and release the volume down button, and then quickly press and hold the side power button, and keep holding that side power button. And if your iPhone is frozen, nothing will happen at first. Don't worry, that's normal. But after about 10 to 20 seconds, the screen will go black and the Apple logo will appear. Whenever you see that Apple logo, release the power button and your iPhone will restart. And in most cases, this is gonna fix the issue. Now, if you're trying to factory reset your iPhone, go ahead and go into your setting and tap on your Apple ID up at the very top. From here, scroll down and select iCloud. And then from here, go to the iCloud backup section and go ahead and hit backup now or back it up to a computer. If you are okay with deleting all your data, back out to the main settings option, just like so, and scroll down, and you're going to want to find the general option. From here, go ahead and scroll down all the way to the very bottom and go ahead and select transfer or reset iPhone. And from here, select erase all content and settings, and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Just continue through this page, enter in your iPhone passcode and enter in your Apple ID when prompted, and your iPhone will now begin resetting. You'll even see a loading bar, and the iPhone may restart a few times, but when it's finished, you'll see the hello screen, which means the reset was successful. But yeah, that is it. That is how you can reset any iPhone, whether you're fixing an issue or starting fresh. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.